To customize lock screen on the POCO X8 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and then we can enter the personalization first. There will be two settings pages that we'll look at to customize it. So here in personalization, you need to select the tile on the left, and then you can customize the clock for your lock screen. You can choose any style from this list, and then you can also adjust the font, like colors, and depending on which style you have, you will see different options, so pay attention to that. Now, when you're ready, you can click on apply, but also we can change the wallpaper. Probably you know that, but you can apply this custom style by selecting wallpaper, and then it should be saved. In this case, I'm gonna discard it. I like my clock. And then we can go into the lock screen options, and here we have a few options that allows us to customize it. We'll have the option for the wallpaper carousel. If you like wallpaper carousel, you can use it. What it does, it basically automates images on your wallpaper for lock screen, and that way you will see random images each time you lock your device. If you don't want it, then simply turn it off. Next thing is the shortcuts. So we have customized shortcuts right here, and you can change the shortcuts on the left and right side of your lock screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.